barely looking. Yeah, so basically, we're on the passenger side of the car. We're not going to put anything in here. It's an integrated transmission.
This is one of the first electric cars ever made. You think they're new, they're not. This one was made in 1911 by the Baker Company. Another interesting fact about this car is that it doesn't have a steering wheel, it has a steering stick, and your passengers sit facing you and in front of you. The driver actually sits in the back. These cars were made so well that this 1911 Baker still runs today.